The Devonian Period, a time when life's boundaries were about to dramatically expand. Oceans were vibrant, fostering an explosion of marine diversity, truly an age of fishes. Creatures with bony plates and powerful jaws ruled the aquatic realms. From formidable predators to diverse reef dwellers, ocean life thrived in complex ecosystems. But a different story was unfolding at the edges, where land met water. Here, where tides ebbed and flowed, life began its most ambitious journey. The land, harsh and unforgiving, was a formidable frontier. Intense solar radiation, lack of moisture, and no soil made terrestrial colonization daunting. Yet, tenacious pioneers emerged from the water, taking the first tentative steps onto solid ground. These were not towering trees, nor fragrant forests, but humble, simple life forms. Creatures with bony plates and powerful jaws ruled the aquatic realms. These simple plants, lacking true roots or vascular systems, hugged the moist ground. Their tiny rhizoids, root-like structures, clung tenaciously, seeking precious moisture. Reproduction was simple, often reliant on water for their dispersal of spores. Every small patch of dampness, every fissure, became a potential cradle for new life, spreading across vast distances. Carried by wind and rain, their reach expanded. Slowly, painstakingly, they began to chip away at sterile rock, creating the first soil. Beneath the surface, a hidden world of fungi forged alliances, aiding nutrient absorption. Over millennia, these humble beginnings blossomed into a widespread green tapestry. With plants came new opportunities for other life forms, venturing from the water. The evolution of vascular tissue allowed plants to grow taller, resisting gravity's pull. Specialized cells transported water and nutrients, a vital innovation for terrestrial survival. Along rivers and coastlines, plant life began to flourish, pushing inland. The evolution of vascular tissue allowed plants to grow taller, resisting gravity's pull. Plants like Cooksonia, small but revolutionary, marked a new era for life on land. Each species, though similar, contributed to a growing complexity of terrestrial ecosystems. Photosynthesis, the engine of life, steadily transformed Earth's atmosphere. Every patch of green was a testament to life's unwavering drive to expand. Organic matter accumulated, slowly building the foundation for true soil. This new soil changed landscapes, stabilizing riverbanks and retaining precious water. Roots, however primitive, began to anchor the planet, preventing erosion. The land was being transformed, slowly but surely, into a more hospitable place. The collective effort of these tiny pioneers was shaping the very face of Earth. As plants evolved, so did their structures, maximizing light capture and water retention. Stems grew more robust, reaching skyward, even without broad leaves. Tiny pores on their surfaces regulated gas exchange, a critical adaptation for land. These pioneers formed the first terrestrial ecosystems, providing shelter and sustenance. Even in death, they enriched the nascent soil, fueling future generations of growth. The scale of greening was increasing, transforming barren rock into vibrant ground. Enter the Archaeopteris, one of the earliest true trees, with woody stems and fern-like foliage. This new habitat invited a new wave of terrestrial invertebrates to thrive.
Tiny pores on their surfaces regulated gas exchange, a critical adaptation for land.
Seed plants began their ascent, offering a revolutionary way to reproduce on land. Predators and prey evolved in concert with these burgeoning terrestrial ecosystems. Early insects found a bountiful food source in the abundant plant matter and spores. Wetlands and swamps became vital nurseries for diverse plant and animal life. The greening of the land created new opportunities for vertebrates to emerge. Driven by evolving food sources and new environments, animals followed the plants ashore. From barren rock to flourishing biomes, the transformation was nothing short of miraculous. Oxygen levels rose significantly, paving the way for larger, more complex animals. The Devonian Period culminated in a terrestrial world reshaped by green life. Intense solar radiation, lack of moisture, and no soil made terrestrial colonization daunting. The rich, fertile soils we know today began their formation in these ancient times. Every drop of water, every ray of sun, was meticulously harnessed by these pioneers. They laid the groundwork, transforming a raw world into a vibrant, living planet. The first green marks on Earth's land were the genesis of all terrestrial life. Their legacy, a foundation for every tree, flower, and every breath we take. These humble ecosystems, though small, were incredibly productive, harnessing the sun's energy. Every single leaf, every stem, a tiny factory converting light into life-giving energy. They changed the flow of water, stabilizing banks and creating new aquatic habitats. Life beneath the soil began, an intricate web of decomposers and burrowers. Sheltered microenvironments offered refuge, fostering smaller, more delicate species. The expansion of these plants drastically reduced global carbon dioxide levels. Massive amounts of organic carbon were locked away, forming coal deposits over eons. This profound atmospheric change reshaped climates and supported new life forms. Higher oxygen levels allowed insects to grow larger, leading to increased complexity. The world was evolving into one recognizably more similar to our own. Every unfurling frond, every spore released, a continuation of life's incredible journey. The rich plant life provided shelter and food for those emerging from aquatic environments. The coastal zones, once barren, now teemed with life, a vibrant green fringe. Fungi played a crucial role in decomposition, recycling nutrients back into the soil. Vast peat bogs formed, capturing carbon and setting the stage for future fossil fuels. The humble green marks had grown into a majestic, vibrant tapestry, transforming Earth. These early forests provided complex habitats,
nurturing intricate food webs. Rivers and streams, now shaded and filtered, supported diverse aquatic life. From mountain slopes to coastal plains, the green revolution was complete. The evolution of seeds-freed plants from water dependency for reproduction. This innovation allowed plants to colonize drier, more challenging environments. Life on land became increasingly diverse, with arthropods filling various niches. The journey from water's edge to inland forests was a monumental ecological shift. Animals with limbs, seeking food and refuge, were drawn further onto land. The green world offered new resources, enabling the evolution of terrestrial vertebrates. Even as seeds emerged, spore-bearing plants continued their vital ecological roles. Diversity flourished, each plant type perfecting its strategy for survival on land. Wetlands and swamps were crucial hotspots of biodiversity, a bridge between realms. The development of flight in insects, too, was influenced by these changing environments. The Devonian Period forever changed Earth, painting it green for all time. Our planet's vital topsoil, the bedrock of agriculture, has its roots in this era. Every biome, every habitat, owes its existence to these ancient plant pioneers. The water cycle, carbon cycle, and oxygen we breathe are all legacies of their work. Through scientific discovery, we continue to unravel the profound story of their impact. A testament to life's power, transforming a world, one tiny green mark at a time. From simple algae to forests, these green marks paved the way for all life. The Devonian Period, when tiny life forms created a green legacy defining our world.